Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download Roller Champions. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to search in Google Roller Champions and open the first website, and then you need to click on play for free in the top right. And here you have three options for PC, for PS4, PS5, for Xbox One, Xbox Series. If you want to download it on PC, simply click on the first option and then this file will be downloaded in your PC, and then you need to install that. Once you install Ubisoft, it will be, you simply need to create account in Ubisoft like this, and then you need to click on games, and here you can see that install. You simply need to install the Roller Champions here and click on play. Once you click on play, you can easily play a game. So this is the process by which you can download Roller Champions. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.